That was not me, babe.
No, it wasn't.
He about ran me off the fucking road.
Old Dominion. Tractor.
Try and close mishaps. The hell? Watch out, don't go near him. He's an insurance frauder. Please.
I'm paying attention, Deborah.
Oh God! Oh God!
Look at that. Yeah. Yeah! Yeah! Yes! Yeah! 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 Yes! That's great! Dude, that was amazing. That's going on to Dirt Bike Lunatic.
What a freaking idiot. They're out there. They are out there. What a freaking idiot. They're out there. They are out there.
Continue on this road for 90 miles.
My body for my actions in the river, y'all. That's how we know it, that the flow about to carry on. See, immortality's a fantasy. I
The video is now locked.
over there. What the fuck are you doing? Não, tá gravando. No need to make it.
Call me the dumbass. You're the one driving the wrong way.
Oh, someone did a stupid. Oops. Oopsie. Someone did a dumbass move. I think you're gonna need a bigger vehicle than that, my friend.
That's not what the officer just told you to do, brother. Because now this person's gonna go buy him. Oh, I know. They got it.
Oh, okay. It was a PSA officer behind us.
Dope.
He is gonna break his fucking vehicle. Ooh, you saw the back wheel just go. Woo! Oh, fuck me in a handbasket. I got it on dash camera, so.
Gosh, Tommy just made it past us.
Oh, fuck. Oh, it's going to him. That's why I moved up a little bit so he can get up.
10-4. I didn't know if you needed to say anything to us.
No, that's why I pulled up so he can get in.
What a fucking idiot. And that's why when you tow someone out of it, you have someone in the vehicle.
There was somebody in the vehicle! Dumbass! Well, I think what happened was he was catty-cornered and he didn't pull the wheels straight enough. It's like, fucking dumb shit. I don't know if my husband can get me down. Uh-oh. Hang on. I got another cop coming.
He's gonna go by us.
Yeah, but I'm making sure he's got room. I'm making sure he's got space, because I'm pretty big, so. Pull into there so I can. Oh, fucking hell. Oh,
You
fuck.
know it. You know.
You know when
he's
the
mad.
officer is pissed if he's cussing. If the cops. Yep, there's a fucking there. Whoa, there's a third fucking cop. Shit, dog. What the fuck did this guy do so? No, I'm gonna be a rubberneck. I've seen Ooh, there's about 4 fucking cops now. Holy fuck.